Okay, so let's demonstrate the Geocache browser. If I run it, up pops a window asking me to choose the cache information file. So the caches.txt comes with PS7, so you need to navigate to it and open it. And the browser reads all those files, all the contents of that file, and gives you a way of browsing through geocaches. So what you'll see on the left here is all the caches that file contains. So there's like a line in here for each cache in the file. If I choose one, for example, Lonely Rick by Shammy Whammy, then over here on the right I see a summary of it. I see the GC number, the title, the cacher it's by, the difficulty rating, the terrain rating, and the coordinates. Now up here in the upper right, I can choose to narrow down my search on the left. So right now on the left it's showing every single cache. If I type something like it's filtered on the left, so now I only see caches that contain the word the, or the string THE, somewhere inside them. And you'll notice that, let's say I change this to THER, that narrows it down some more. THERE, there's just one. So one way I can narrow down the search is by entering there. I can also narrow down the search by choosing a cacher. So I'll choose 39 Geezer, and now I see all the caches by 39 Geezer, and I can click through and look at them on the right. I can simultaneously narrow it down by owner and by cache title. So let's say I choose Robin. Well, I didn't spell it right, Robin. So we have the one cache in the file that is by 39 Geezer and has the word Robin in it. So let me back off a little bit. I'll go to caches that contain the word the, and I will pick that blank entry in the menu so that I now see all the caches that have the word the in them. Now I can also narrow down by difficulty and terrain rating. So right now it's showing all caches that contain the word the with the difficulty between 1 and 5 and a terrain between 1 and 5, which is 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest. And maybe I want to get a difficult cache today, so I want to have it over 2.5 or higher, so that narrows it down some. And maybe I don't want it too hard, so I'll go from 2.5 to 3.5. That narrows it down a little bit more. And maybe I feel like taking a hike today, so I'll put the terrain at 2.5. And there are 3 caches left. So now let's see what I have. I have it narrowed down by all the caches over here have the word the in them. Or I keep saying word, but it just needs to have the string THE somewhere in them. Owned by anyone with difficulty between 2.5 and 3.5 and terrain between 2.5 and 5.0. And I can come over here and click and see what's up. If I want to narrow it down some more, and I can come here and let's say I want to see just the caches that I currently have, but I want the cache, also I want to just see caches by Gotwings. So I will come here, and now I have the only cache in the file that contains the word the, is owned by Gotwings, and has difficulty and terrain ratings in these intervals. So that's the way that your geocache browser should work when you've completely correctly implemented your cache and cache list classes.